Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can view transaction history on OneXBet. This will help you track deposits, withdrawals, and bets and ensuring transparency and proper account management. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course log into your OneXBet account. And now that you're here, you will just have to click your profile icon right here. And what you will have to do is you will look for bet history or transactions. It really depends. So once you see it, you will just have to click it and wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you will just have to use the filters so that you will be able to select the date range, the transaction type, and all that stuffs. And yeah, that's basically just how it is. You can click on the individual transactions for if it's available for you. You can click on it so that you will be able to see the details, the including amount, the method, and confirmation ID, and all that stuffs. And you could also download the transaction history if needed for personal records or accounting. And by the way, you could only download it if you actually have the download option. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.